So I decided to hop in my car and head down to Kanab to visit Bree for the balloons and brews.
Tunes.
Balloons and tunes. We're in Utah, so it wouldn't be balloons and brews. Anywho.
Ready for spontaneous trips.
Yeah.
Here we go.
We're here with Yuli, and she does kind of a unique spin, don't mind the pun, with hair that you can actually collect from your dog if it's long enough, and she will spin it on her loom, like with this stuff. This is loomed yarn. And then she also does felting. So right now, what are you making?
I'm just showing you what I'm doing. So I'm gonna make a strange shape. When I work with the resist, I work inside out. So what's going to be on the outside is the first layer that I put down, and then once I've cut it, I can turn it inside out. Is with the wool. No glue, no nothing.
So it's very sustainable.
Yes. It's also the oldest fabric that humankind has used.
Really? I didn't even think about it that way.
Yes, they found felted pouches and also felted shoes and objects in Bronze Age graves. So that tells you how long humans have been using felt. And in fact, there's of course a whole load of quite sweet myths. My favorite one is that felt was invented when Noah took all the animals on the ark. Right, and then so they were in the belly of the ark, all shedding their fur, and then they landed and they all walked out, and there was a huge carpet of felt because of course they had walked on it and peed on it, and that's all it takes to make felt.
Artistic mind and placement of the color.
Yeah, you know what? I do stuff that is much more controlled, but I thought here I don't have to be. I can just have a little bit of fun.
Yeah, that's part of what art is, though. I
yeah.
feel like it's just having fun with your medium.
Absolutely, and giving yourself permission to really play and to make stupid mistakes, because you learn the most out of
Yeah.
the stupid mistakes. But at least I do. And yeah, again, this is like, it's a bit like riding a bicycle. My fingers know what to do. Horrible. Usually it's nice and hot, but there's no way. And then the sliminess is, I put a bar of soap into there and then put a whole load of hot water, and it just kind of dissolves into that.
Kanab is really known for hiking and mountain biking and ATV riding, all the outdoor stuff. It isn't really known for festivals, but I highly suggest going when there is one because they really do pack a punch with fun. It is also one of the most dog-friendly cities that you will ever had. Just go to a festival and all the kids will put your dogs through a puppy petting mill. The balloon part of this festival is actually in the evening, and this street is lined with hot air balloons. So here at the Balloons and Tunes Festival, and I don't know if you can see it, but all up and down this street there are hot air balloons that are taking off. Know what to think about it, Zoe? Huh? Is it too late for you, Zoe? You past your bedtime? You're an old woman. There are lots of bands that play throughout the day during this festival, and then at night, this street is lit up with these hot air balloons. It goes on for about an hour to 2 hours, and then they all head over to the Floating Lantern Festival, which is just down the street, and everyone gets to participate in lighting one of those classic lanterns up into the sky and making a wish. It really was a perfect bucket list item for me to be able to go down and finally participate in this festival and light my own floating lantern, letting it up into the sky, manifesting all the wishes that could come true within the next few years for me. I hope all the best for you, and if you like this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and share it with a friend, because more the merrier. See you in the next one, y'all. Bye.